Welcome to Congruently. I'm just going to take you through how to download and add Congruently to your web browser. If you're starting on our app, which is congruently.app, on our site, you're going to click Add Beta to Chrome. It's going to pop over here to the Chrome Web Store, and you just click Add to Chrome. As easy as that can be. And if you have your extension menu up here, this little puzzle piece, you click this. You search down to where you see Congruently. Your icon will be black. Mine's white because this is the dev version. You pin it, and now it's up here. And if you click that, you're going to go into Congruently. There'll be a welcome screen where you'll enter your email. All we ask is your email to try it out, and then you'll be sent a verification code. If a verification code doesn't show up quickly, it might land in your spam. We've been working on it. Hopefully it won't, but you just click verify, and boom, you're in. All right, so Congruently's got a little bit of onboarding. Shouldn't take you more than a minute. It's important for coach to get to know you, to make recommendations for how it coaches you. And also, it's very important to understand who you are in your meetings. We're not using audio on this. We're using the transcripts that are in your meetings. So if coach doesn't know your name, coach isn't going to be able to coach you. So we'll fill out this for me. Hello, everyone. I'm Joel. Let's just call me a designer, and I work at Congruently. And I'll go back to this. Let's see, what do I struggle with? What don't I struggle with? I built an app for meetings. That's how much I struggle with it. And rambling without a clear ask. Okay, you can already tell that that's apparent. Any other contacts you'd like to add? No pressure here. This is just a nice place to say, if you get extremely anxious, if you have panic attacks during meetings, it's probably good to let coach know that. It'll help the way that it coaches you. And also you will have, coach will build a memory about you. It stays in your browser, hidden in your browser memory, and it just helps coach understand how to better serve you. So we hit continue. And this is the coaching style. We're calling these the minds. So confident mind, creative mind, etc. Confidence probably the best base for most people, but Navigator's really good for new employees. It's really good at jargon and understanding kind of the dynamics of a new environment. Global's great for people with that speak English as a second language. It's really good at cultural differences, sports idioms, things like that. Diplomatic, really great for founders. It helps you manage people both downwardly and upwardly. And you can see visionary, technical, creative. Neurodivergent actually has some nested options, so you can really drill down into what best describes you. Agree to the privacy policy. Read it if you want. I would. And then you're going to be able to see a demo of it in action. So without diving into the interface, that'll be another video. But I just want to let you know the way that this works is on the left over here, you're going to see a transcript. This is a script. But on the right, what you see is an actual coach. This is the real-time AI coach. So give this a look. Hit in demo. Whenever you're ready, you can replay it. And then click got it, and you're going to be in Congruently. And then you can get ready for your first meeting and the next video, which is understanding the interface. Thanks.